ब्राइट लाइन सभी लोग को 1 महीना मेहनत की है ना, थोड़ा आपके हाथों से भी, सर के हाथों से। देखिए, you can see on the table certain prizes, diary and pen. ये तो है, this is a small token of love from all of us. Actually what happens, I have been telling right from the beginning that some sort of things must be reflected. If your behavior is changing day to day, we are also happy. Not only in academics studies, also in contributing to the assembly. These girls and some of the boys also, they always help us conduct the assembly. Assembly is an integral part of the school activity. If we are not doing the assembly better way, the morning shows the days. The people will understand that the school is not disciplined. The discipline of the school depends entirely on the way you stand in the assembly, you cooperate, conduct the prayer and other activities. We are not presenting news and other things, but whatever is being presented, thought is being presented by Muskan Sharma, she is doing very well. And then after, Ayush, she is also helping us. All the boys and girls are helping. The senior girls are also there in the prayer. So actually 1 month of hard work they have done. Anyhow, our assembly is better and it will become better also. So it is just a token of love from all of us to encourage you and to motivate you. Always remember one thing, even if you get a small token of love from us, this shows that we try to improve your behavior and this will encourage you to do better and better. A big, medal is not a big prize. What is there, the matter is that you should consider a change in your attitude. There is a proverb in that those people who are positive, they find every opportunity and turns them into success. And there are people who are negative minded, they are always finding fault. दुनिया में ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो कुछ नहीं करते, केवल दूसरे पे गलतियां निकालते हैं. So people who are in habit of finding fault in others, they will never get any opportunity to turn themselves to the betterment of the society. So those people who are positive minded, they always see everything as an opportunity. Every moment is an opportunity for them and they always reap success out of every opportunity. Negative minded people, they only criticize and they don't do. So this is a positivity, a small token of love from all of us. And now I request my colleague, Sri S. Ram sir, to bless the children by giving the prize. The first prize has been given to two, one boy and one girl. So I call upon Ayush Kumar to get the first prize. Over the whole month he has been doing good work and he is also good at his studies. So a token of love from all of us, that is for Ayush. The first prize goes to Ayush and Muskan. Now take the spoon and help her. Now she will come. Yes. Now this first prize among the girls is won by Muskan Sharma. Give a huge clapping. She deserves. And all the girls who have been standing here to cooperate us and help us in conduct of the assembly, they will be also awarded by giving pen. And I request madam to bless them by giving one pen. It's a small token of love from all of us, right from 1 to 3. Yes, please come over there, madam. This side. Give a clapping. At least the girls are there always for the prayer. The second girl from there, that side is Kajal from class 12. Give a huge clapping. Citizen. The third girl, Vinita. Yes, Vinita of class 12. The scheme. Yes, give a huge clapping for the scheme, class 10. And the last, once again, she deserves Muskan Sharma. So prayer girls are getting paid. Everything is important. Thank you, madam, and thanks, sir, for giving away these prizes. And all of you deserve. Next month, you join the assembly and help us. Other girls will also get. 1 month, 1 prizes will be given. So it will keep on changing. Maybe that they will also get the second prize also. So thank you, congratulations, many congratulations, thank you. आयुष उसको